So in our today's class, we will be talking about price elasticity of demand. So basically, price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of demand following a change in price, meaning how much impact does a change in price has over our change in demand. Now, first of all, let's say that we are consuming a luxury product, which is, let's say, a diamond ring, which is a diamond ring. So for example, if the price of the diamond ring were to be $50,000, you might be buying two diamond rings, right? You might be buying two diamond rings. However, if the price increases to $80,000, you might not buy two diamond rings now. You might only buy one diamond ring. So such products tend to have elastic demand. Whereas, for example, if there is something, a necessity, for example, medicine, if the price of the medicine were to increase from 1000 to 2000, you might still be purchasing the same amount or quantity of medicine. Why? Because it is a necessity. Your life may be dependent on it. Now the formula to calculate PED is percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Now let's say we have a commodity over here which is chips, and we have the price of chips over here. Let's say that the old price of chips was 50 rupees. When the price of chips was 50 rupees, you used to consume, let's say, 3 packets of chips. 3 packets of chips. However, now since the price has risen to 60, you might be consuming only 2 packets of chips, right? So now our task is to calculate the PED. So first of all, we will calculate how to find the percentage change in quantity demanded. Now the formula is new price minus old divided by old multiplied by 100. Now the new quantity of the chips demanded is 2, whereas the old quantity demanded was 3. Divide this by old quantity and multiply this by 100. So now this will give you a result of minus 33.33. Do note that we don't take this minus into consideration because the relationship between price and quantity demanded is always inverse, which means that one thing increases, the other decreases. If the price for a certain commodity increases, your demand for that commodity might fall. Now this is the percentage change in quantity demanded. Now we will find out the percentage change in price. So what are you going to do? New price minus old price divided by old price and multiply this by 100. So you will get a figure of 20. So what was PED? PED was percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. So the percentage change in quantity demanded is 33.33, whereas the percentage change in price is 20. So what is 33.33 divided by 20? It is 1.6665. Let's say 1.66. This means that the demand for these chips is elastic. Why? Because PED is greater than 1. So do note, when PED, let's write this on a separate page. When PED is equals to 0, PED is perfectly inelastic. When PED is between 0 and 1, PED is relatively inelastic. When PED is exactly 1, PED is said to be unitary elastic. When PED is greater than 1, it is said to be relatively elastic. And when PED is infinity, it is said to be perfectly elastic.